In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a referral code in Instacart. If you want to invite friends to Instacart and earn a reward when they place their first qualifying order, the process is very simple and only takes a minute or two. I'll walk you through exactly where to find your referral code and how to share it. To begin, go to Instacart and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the main Instacart page, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll usually find the main navigation menu and account-related options. If your screen looks slightly different, don't worry. Layouts can change a little depending on whether you're using a desktop browser or another device, but the account section is what you're looking for. Next, click on Account. This will open your account menu where you can access settings, order history, membership details, and referral options. You'll want to scan through this menu until you see the referral section. From there, click on Invite Friends, Earn Money. This is the area Instacart uses for its referral program. When you open it, you should see your personal referral details, including a code or a shareable link tied to your account. This is the information your friends can use when they sign up or place their first order depending on the current promotion. Now click on Copy Code. This copies your referral code so you can quickly paste it wherever you want to share it. In some cases, Instacart may also give you a direct referral link in addition to the code. If you see both, you can use whichever option is more convenient. The link is often easiest because your friend can simply click it and be taken directly to the sign up or offer page. Once your code has been copied, you can share your code or link by text, email, or social media. Just paste it into your message and send it to the person you want to invite. Typically, when your friend completes their first delivery order, you'll receive a credit, and your friend will also get a discount toward their first order or first few orders, depending on the offer available at the time. One important tip is to check the referral terms shown on the page before sharing. Reward amounts and eligibility can vary by account, location, or promotion period, and that's it. That's how to find and copy your referral code in Instacart so you can start sharing it right away.